So I'm gonna use the Chevy Equinox. So I got my rhinos on these since I don't know, probably 12 years. Probably had these 12 years. Use them on, I don't know, at least I don't know, at least 5 different vehicles. Okay. I think it's supposed to warm it up a little bit. Change engine oil soon. Okay. So just put it up on the ramp. Let's see if we can get that done. Okay, it's on there. All right. So I'm just gonna put the foot brake on just because. Should be enough. Recirculate, always recirculate. Always recirculate to get the fumes out. Alright. This hood latch is not very good, it's messed up. So what am I gonna do? What I'm gonna do, I'm only gonna get the hoses out of my way. So I'll take off that one from the high pressure fuel pump. Take this one off from, I think this is the manifold pressure sensor of some kind. Take the one from the throttle body. And this one goes all the way across. I'm being lazy right now. I'm not taking off the whole thing. I'm being lazy. I could take this airbox off, but I might have to take airbox off because I can't see. Push this red tab in. There's the red tab in. So my battery ran out. So I gotta do things a little different way. So I just got my phone plugged in. But now I just put the plug back in. So I think this is a 22. What is this? 32. 32, that takes the filter off. So I got a 13, 14, 15, and a 16. I don't know which one is gonna fit, so I'm just gonna carry all of them. I'm not gonna use the vice grip, I'll mess it up. So you gotta have the 32 to take out the filter, and it's gonna be one of these to take the oil nut off. Got my drain pan down there, 5W30 synthetic and a filter from Amazon. Got my extension, this is gonna help me take out the filter. So this is what, a 15. That fits a little bit snug. 14. 14 does not fit. So it's a 15, but it's got a lot of play in it. I don't like that. Maybe because the bolt is old. 15 millimeters is like 3/4 of a, it's like inch is 25 millimeters. Well, I don't really carry much SAE size socket, so I'm just gonna make it work with the 15 millimeter and just call it a day. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Okay, I'm gonna just hit it because I don't have an impact. Whose fault is that? My fault, right? Told myself I could get one. Ew. Got oil all over my stuff. So guess what? I need to get an extension to help myself. So I got my breaker bar. Shouldn't really be necessary, but the guys with the impact guns, they mess it up. My impact bar, my 1/2 inch by 3/8 adapter, 15 socket. So the breaker bar loosened it up. So now I can just do it with my hand. Okay. Let's clean this off. I don't like oil on my stuff. Oil is linked to cancer because it penetrates the skin and brings all kind of impurities into it. So I like to turn this thing diagonal a little bit because it likes to shoot out sometimes. But it's loose now, so I don't even really need the wrench anymore. I can just do it with my hand. Okay, so I think you apply a little pressure to it while you're screwing it out. I mean, they recommend bringing it up to temperature, making the car hot, but I don't think I want to do that right now. Just change the oil, man. Come on now. All right, it's already screwed out, so I'm gonna pop it away. Oh, guess not. Good. I still made some mess. Look at that little drop right there. This is probably the best oil cleaning I ever did. Usually I make a big mess. Oh, that's draining now. It's almost all drained out. So you gotta watch it. And the wind is blowing, it'll blow the oil all over the place. The wind always wants to blow when you're changing the oil, you know. So anyhow, I'm gonna take the filter out now. I think that it's pretty much well drained right now. It's not completely drained, but I'm gonna let it drain and I'm gonna take out the filter right now. So I moved those wires out of the way originally. One from the throttle body, one from the manifold pressure sensor, one from the fuel rail harness, the fuel rail connector, and one from the high pressure fuel pump connector. So I don't want to get this dirty, so I'm going to move this over a little bit. The thing that I have under the car, see if this reaches over here. Nope, a little too long. Okay, so let's take off the extension off of it. like a big dipstick, huh? Why don't I just take it out instead of being a jerk, right? Take it out, put it right there. Should be able to take it out with my hand now. I'm not gonna take it out yet. What I'm gonna do, oh, some more oil came out. See now that some air was allowed to come into the system, some more oil came out. So, okay. We'll let that sit for a little bit. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the plug back in first. Then I'm gonna swap the filter out so that I can have the capability to drop the filter